Once upon a time there was a girl called Little Red Riding Hood who always wore red. She lived at the edge of the deep, dark forest. One sunny day, Little Red Riding Hood's mother gave her a basket full of goodies for her grandma. She warned her to stay on the path and don't talk to strangers. As the sun started to set, Little Red Riding Hood walked deeper and deeper into the forest. She noticed some flowers and strayed off the path. Clumsily, she stumbled into the big, bad wolf. The sly wolf asked Little Red Riding Hood where she was going. She told the wolf she was going to visit her grandma's cottage. Without warning, the wolf raced to the cottage and knocked on the door. Grandma was so frightened she hid in the cupboard. Soon, Little Red Riding Hood arrived and knocked on the door. "Come in," snarled the wolf as softly as he could. "Oh, Grandma, what big ears you have! All the better to hear you with." "Oh, Grandma, what big eyes you have! All the better to see you with." "Oh, Grandma, what big teeth you have! All the better to eat you with." The wolf leapt out of bed and chased Little Red Riding Hood around the cottage. Little Red Riding Hood screamed, "Help!" Suddenly, the woodchopper burst through the door with his axe. The wolf was terrified. He quickly jumped through the window and was never seen again. Fortunately, Little Red Riding Hood and Grandma were safe. She promised to always listen to her mum. 4-leaf clover, our story is over.